We're back with week 3 of the Monoblock Monday giveaway, and this week's challenge is going to be to single pin pick a dimple core. Obviously no master lock or brinks, but we're going to single pin pick a dimple core with, and this is the important part, a half diamond. So I'm going to use the multi-pick half diamond. 1, 2, so as you can see, it's not terribly difficult. It doesn't have to be an amazing lock, it just has to be a dimple lock, and it just has to be picked with a half diamond. No dimple flags, no master lock, no brinks. Week 3 Monoblock Monday giveaway. Oh, and this is a Curtsy weather protected 5-pin monoblock.